Hello, so welcome back everyone to today we are playing a bomb squad game. Oh, he took boxing gloves. So we are gonna fighting with this ninja. He is very much bad and we want to take yes, we throw a bomb on him, but he just got survived guys. Yes, we won the match now wave 2. Oh god, I became mad. That's why this TV screen is coming in the front of the screen. Now we should do boxing with these boxers. No, only one boxer it is. So we should do boxing with this boxer. So bombs are coming from up. Oh, the screen got shaken because we threw a bomb on him. Yes, we are fighting with this girl and this bomb squad guy. Yes, we should fight with him. I had to commit kit to beat that girl. Yeah, oh no, just missed the bomb, guys. Yes, we can do it. We should beat the wave number 4 and we should win the match. Come on, you can do it. Beat this green color girl, green hairs girl. She look like a Chinese movies cartoon. What I'm telling for you, but she look like a cartoon. Yes, throw a bomb on her. Yes, she got collapsed. Now wave number 4 is coming, guys. 3 boxers are here to fight with us. Let's fight with these bodybuilders. Now he's rolling on the floor. We should fight with him. Yes, fight. 36% damage. Yes, we killed him. Now we should beat this bomb squad guy. Yellow color guy. We should beat him. Yeah, we beat him. Let's go. So we should beat the bomb squad guy. Beat him. Beat very much. Yes. Now wave number 5. So much easy wave number 4. Oh no, these 3 ninja girls came, guys. We should beat them. Come on, beat. Beat these ninja girls. We should throw bomb on girl. What I am telling, don't know, but we should throw the bomb on the girl. Come on, yes. The bomb destroyed the girl, guys. Now last one. Come on. We got an invisibility potion, means invisibility box. We should beat the other girl. It is other side. Best fellow, go there. Come on, sticky bomb. It's my favorite. Sorry, second favorite. Sticky bomb. Stick to her. Yes, it got sticked, and she is also collapsed. Now wave number 6. You'd fight with these ninjas. Oh no, ninjas are my not favorite. Ninjas are such waste. They are so much dangerous. Fight with this ninja. He got so much stamina. Yes. You can do it. You can beat this bomb squad guy. Yes. The bomb squad guy collapsed. Now we should deal with other. He also got collapsed. Yes, we got a victory. We got an achievement unlocked. Let's go. 342 total score. Oh, next level is football level. Yes, I know how to play football. I played well. First we should take this yellow color flag and we should keep on the red line of other team. Yes, we won 1 point. 7 points total each for us. I took again, but the boxer took from me. Oh no, this best boxer is fighting with me. Come on, Jeffrey, you can do it. What I am telling for me, don't know. This yellow color bomb squad took an advantage and took the yellow color. Oh no, same scores. Now I will try my best. I will take this yellow color and I will go and I will put it on the red line. Come on, you can do it. Purple color. Come on. Yes, we won again, guys. Now we should fight with this boxer. This ninja came. This waste fellow ninja. White came. This yellow color is taking. No. I lost another point, guys. Now last chance. I am taking this yellow color. And yes, we got a point and victory. Do you know what? I gave them 2 points because I want to be equal and nothing to it. Because we won the match. And wave number 1 from the next level, we should fight with these 3 fellows coming. Oh no, 1 black color bomb squad guy and 2 boxers. Fight with them. Fight, come on, you can do it. Fight with these 2 boxers. And we should also fight with this white color, black color ninja. Fight with him. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Yes, wave number 2, guys. Let's go. these three ninjas. No, only one ninja and two boys came. Two bodyguards of him. We should beat these bodyguards. Oh no! They collapsed me, guys. Score is just 52. We'll try again. Keep trying again because it causes success. Wave number one. Wave number one. Come on, come on, come on. 3 members. 2 members are box. 1 member is black color bomb squad guy. Beat him. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Yes, yes, yes. We beat the 3 members. And wave number 2. Now these 3 members are coming again. One. Oh no, 2 boxers and 1 ninja. Ninja is very much dangerous. Then I think we should beat ninja because he got so much stamina and he got so much speed. Beat the ninja. Come on, come on. This ninja is beating for me again. I should beat for this ninja. I got invisibility. I should beat this ninja. Yes, we throw a bomb on him and he got collapsed, guys. Wave number 3. Come on, these 2 girls and 2 ninjas came. We should beat these 2 dangerous ninjas and 2 green color hairs girls. Come on. Throw a sticking bomb on him. Come on. 3 members. Oh no, just 2 members got collapsed. Still 2 members are there. Yes, no. He collapsed me on, guys. Score 127. Another level coming soon. Oh no. We got an invisible potion and again 3 guys came. 1 guy is bomb, black color guy, and 2 guys are boxers. We should beat these boxers. We fought with these 2 boxers. Yes, fight with this guy. Fight. Yes. We are fighting with 2v1 and we collapsed 1 boxer and I should beat the black color guy. Come on, black color armor guy. I should beat him. Come on, you can do it. Throw a bomb on him. Come on, throw a bomb on him. Come on, fight with him. Come on, yes. Now wave number 2 after so long time. Come on, again 3 guys are coming. Right there. 1 ninja. This is very dangerous ninja. No, I got stuck with the sticky bomb. Yes. Nothing damage for me, but the damage for 2 boxes. Yes, beat this ninja. This ninja is so much waste. He's just a scrap. Beat this ninja. He's very much dangerous. Beat. Come on, you can do it. Yes, we fought with the ninja and we won, guys. Let's go. Wave number 3. Again, 4 members are coming. These 4 members are very much tough. Oh yes. Come on, beat. Throw bombs on the ninja. 2 ninjas remaining. The 2 girls where went, I don't know. There, the 2 girls fell the void. Another ninja also fell to the void. Last 1 ninja remaining. Just beat this ninja. Come on. Throw a bomb on the ninja guy. Yes, the ninja also went. Wave number 4. Oh, whose are these? These are 2 chests. These came to cook biryani for us. Oh no, this came and these guys went. Now wave number 5. Come on, guys. Come on. Last 2 waves. That is it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.